Guys, I know traveling can be one of the most expensive things. You're away from home, you can't cook your meals, you're ordering room service or going down to the hotel restaurant and it's way overpriced. I don't do any of that. I will show you how I stay healthy and on budget while traveling for over 60 days of the year. Now, this is a very raw video, and as you can see, my hotel room is a bit of a mess, but I want to show you a couple things here. Notice this giant jug of water. I get this from the nearby grocery store, and I refill this at the gym. That way, I get filtered water throughout my entire stay for about $1. Next thing, look at all the coffee packets back here. This is actually pretty good hotel coffee. If your coffee at the hotel room is actually good, just ask for more of it. This is free compared to the $5 venti coffees that they have. Another thing, this is clutch. This is my thermos. What I'll do is I'll actually put my coffee in there with these coconut oil packets, shake it up, and then I have bulletproof coffee. But most importantly, this is used for my smoothie. So I have a blender here that I actually bought. You'll see there's a box over there, but I bring a blender with me everywhere I go. Now, this hotel has free apples at the front desk. A lot of them will have free apples at the gym. I will bring my powders, my protein, my wheatgrass, my collagen, my spirulina, things like that. I can get these from the Starbucks downstairs, stevia packets. Very simple stuff. And then, of course, this hotel has a microwave, which is great, but you go to the grocery store, $3 for that. That's what I normally get. Lemons, broccoli, some vegetables, very simple stuff. So I have a smoothie every single day because this is going to keep me healthy on the road, which is really important. But it's also $2 or $3 for a giant smoothie compared to going out and having a very expensive one. Over here, here's some of my other foods that I get. Oatmeal, clutch. Since I have a microwave, I could make it in the microwave on its own, but more importantly, this thing right here. This is a Hot Logic Mini. This is the best invention, the best use of $40. Best purchase I've ever made for 40 bucks. You put in Chipotle. Of course, I'm a big Chipotle fan. I got my collection over there of boxes. There's the bag. And I have my Chipotle in here, and all I do is put this lid on, plug it in, and in 2 hours, it's done. So just with that Hot Logic Mini, a blender, a thermos, and a Pyrex container, I have all the meals I want for the next 4 or 5 days. I can get groceries at the store way cheaper than going to CVS or getting room service, which costs like 40 bucks for a stupid breakfast. It's ridiculous. You save a lot of money, but also you control the quality of food, which is really important to me because I want to be healthy on the road so I could work while everyone else is getting sick, and then I look better by default. So if you'd like a list of the best products, services, and brands to help you on the road and at home, save you money so you can reinvest in yourself and own your life, check the video description below for Brad's Best Buys. There's a whole list, 50 plus pages of goodies in there. Watch the next video and I'll see you next time.